If you watched any of our Discover the Difference videos, you know the format. I take a close look at the differences between the natural LED product and competitive brands. And I help you look beyond the spec sheet and discover the difference so that you can make an informed decision on your fixture purchase. Well, for this episode, we're mixing it up a little bit. If you give me a few minutes, I'll help you discover the difference between this new and improved MillWright industrial fixture and the previous award-winning MillWright fixture. We developed the MillWright out of a request from a few of our heavy industrial customers in the steel mill industry when they couldn't find an LED high bay that could meet their needs, perform up to their expectations, and well last in those harsh environments. The natural LED engineering and development team responded and the MillWright was born. Since then, we've been gathering input from our customers, which we usually do, and we found several areas that we can improve upon. We always seek feedback from our customers, and we build our products based on their input. So let's take a look at a few of the differences. Now, just because the MillWright is used in heavy industry doesn't mean that it has to be heavy. The new MillWright is actually much lighter than the previous model. In fact, it's over 10 pounds lighter. We've been able to reduce the weight from 36 pounds to 24 pounds. And if you remotely mount the drivers, well, that reduces the fixture weight to only 12 pounds. That means it's much easier to hang and it creates less structural load and less stress wherever you mount it. You know, the new model is also much brighter and much more efficacious. It has an average efficacy of 165 to 175 lumens per watt versus the 140 to 150 lumens per watt of the previous model. The 340 watt unit has an output of over 57,000 lumens. So that means you can hang this bad boy up to 100-foot ceilings and you're still going to get a safe and effective lighted environment. So let's be honest, the main cause of any LED failure in hot, humid, and dirty environments is clearly driver failure. That's why it's important to be able to mount the driver away from the heat source. Now, we listened when our customers said that they need to be able to mount the driver further than the 30 feet that the previous model allowed. The new MillWright drivers can be mounted up to 100 feet from the fixture. That's 3 times farther than the previous model. And that means you got much better versatility in where you mount the drivers, and that ensures that the fixtures are built to last. And energy savings is not a dirty word. And the new MillWright 340 watt model replaces the old 400 watt model for additional savings. That means you save more energy because this one is 60 watts less per fixture. We also heard from customers that they needed a tighter beam control. Not all applications are the same. So now there's a new optional reflector that has a beam of 80 degrees and provides a much more narrow beam spread than the previous model. So if you have an industrial application, whether it's a heavy industrial facility like a steel mill or a glass plant, a paper mill, or it's just a regular industrial facility like a welding shop or a metal fab or a battery facility or something similar, well, the new and improved MillWright should be the fixture of choice. So give your natural LED distributor a call and discover the difference.